Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to insert button to the Power BI canvas. Select the button icon from the top of the ribbon. Here you will have variety of button shapes. Left arrow, right arrow, reset button, back, information, help, question and answer, bookmark, blank button and page navigator. I will here select the right arrow. You can select the button, and in the Format Your Visual section you can enable action. We will be able to select the type of action we want to dedicate to this button. I will select Page Navigation. Currently, we do not have Page 2 on the canvas. So let's create a second page and name it as Page 2. I will name my first page as Page 1, where I have my arrow button. I will now select Page 2 in the Destination section. This means we have dedicated this button to lead us to Page 2 on pressing. You can press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on the button. This will take you to the second page. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates.